English Learning Network.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the future tense. We'll look at its forms and see some examples. In English, the future tense has 4 forms: the simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Each one is used for different situations, so let's break them down. Simple future. Structure, subject plus will plus base verb. This form is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. Examples: I will visit my grandmother tomorrow. They will study for the test next week. Future continuous. Structure, subject plus will be plus verb ing. We use this form to talk about actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Examples: I will be eating at 8 p.m. tonight. She will be traveling to Paris this time next week. Future perfect. Structure. Subject plus will have plus past participle. This form shows an action that will be completed before a certain time in the future. Examples: I will have finished my workout by 6 p.m. They will have left the office by the time we arrive. Future perfect continuous. Structure. Subject plus will have been plus verb ing. This form is for actions that will be ongoing up until a point in the future. Examples: I will have been working here for 5 years next month. By next summer, they will have been building this house for 2 years.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.